Hello YouTube. Wanted to do a follow-up on my video about the awesome customer service. I sent it to Unique Titanium just to let them know that I did a video. I found out that Dina is a female, not a girl. That was panic. I apologize. Nothing disrespectful. I just panicked and went, I have no idea what gender she is. So it is a she. I felt better that I didn't say she through the video and find out that it was a guy with the name Dina that I just, pigeonholed. So anyway, happy to find out I was correct. Still look like an idiot. So anyway, Dina reached out to me and let me know that she wanted to offer my subscribers a coupon code for 10% off. So I will put that up here if I figure out how. In an annotation, which I've not done before. But I want to let you know that the customer service from Unique Titanium keeps getting more awesome, and nothing disrespectful was meant by saying, I hope she's a girl. That was just me being an idiot and panicking. So I apologize. Nothing was meant to be disrespectful. I don't think she took it that way, because if she did, she still offers you guys a coupon code in spite of my rudeness. So anyway, check out the coupon code that should be up there at some point, and get yourself some good gear. See you guys.